Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is summary attributes. So, God's attributes of perfection, blessedness, beauty, and glory are called summary attributes because they encompass and evaluate all of God's other attributes as unified whole. His perfection means he lacks nothing and possesses every excellence fully. His blessedness shows that God is eternally happy and satisfied in himself. His beauty reveals the harmony of all his perfections shining together, and his glory is the radiant display of all that he is. These attributes highlight God's absolute self-sufficiency, eternal delight in himself, and the supreme worthiness of his being to be loved, worshipped, and enjoyed forever. So, ayon po sa Isaiah chapter 6 verse 1 to 8. In the year that King Uzziah died, I saw the Lord, high and exalted, seated on a throne, and the train his robe filled the temple. Above him were seraphim, each with 6 wings. With 2 wings they covered their faces, with two they covered their feet, and with 2 they were flying, and they were calling to one another, Holy, holy is the Lord Almighty. The whole earth is full of his glory. At these sounds of their voices, the doorpost and threshold shook, and the temple was filled with smoke. Woe to me, I cried, I am ruined, for I am a man of unclean lips, and live among a people of unclean lips. And my eyes have been the King, the Lord Almighty. Then one of the seraphim flew to me with a live coal in his hands, which he had taken with tongs from the altar. With it he touched my mouth and said, See, this has touched your lips. Your guilt is taken away, and your sin atoned for. Then I heard the voice of the Lord saying, Whom shall I send? And who will go for us? And said, Here I am, send me. So ayon po sa ating katuroan, sinasabi ito na the glory of God reveals His holiness. So ibig sabihin, kapag nakita natin ang dalawalhatian ng Diyos, makikita natin na siya ay ganap na banal, walang kasalanan at hiwalay sa lahat. Parang liwanag na sobrang linaw at walang banal. Next is the glory of God reveals sinfulness. Kapag kinumpara natin ang sarili natin sa kabanalan niya, doon natin na-realize na makasalanan tayo. Kahit gaano tayo kabait, sa tingin ng mundo, hindi pa rin sapat ang standard ng Diyos. Next is the glory of God reveals our mission. So, hindi lang tayo pinapakita ang makasalanan, binibigyan din tayo ng Diyos na layunin na kapag nakita natin ang kalawalhatian niya, nagkakaroon tayo ng sense of calling na maglingkod, magbahagi ng salita niya, at mabuhay para sa kanyang kaluwalhatian. So, sa applications naman po, praise God for Christ's atonement. Magpasalamat tayo kay Jesus dahil siya ang tumubos sa atin, dahil sa kanyang dugo at sakripisyo, natakpan ng ating kasalanan at nagkaroon tayo ng access sa kabanalan ng Diyos. Next is present yourself to God just as you are. So, hindi kailangan magpanggap o magkunwari na okay tayo. Pwede natin ilapit sa Diyos lahat ng ating kahinaan, pagkukulang at struggles, dahil tanggap niya tayo at siya ang magbabago sa atin. Next is pray the most dangerous prayers. So, ayun lang po, maraming salamat.